Hey guys, I'm Lindy.
And I'm Russ.
And this is episode 2 of our RV makeover. Thank you to Wagner for sponsoring this video. So you guys all saw the tour, the design plans. If you didn't, we will link it up top for you. But
based on your feedback, I think it was perfect and we don't have to do any more, right?
nobody said that.
Oh.
Today we are starting our demo. We're gonna pack everything up, demo, and then hopefully in this video we will be choosing flooring, choosing paint colors, and getting some of those up.
Yeah, so I think, it's a bunch of work, but this is the first big step and it's exciting. Okay, I don't know if this is enough, but this will get us started. These are like this.
Oh, see? Ah!
Pain a bit. Okay, this is a bit of a pain.
Okay, try. Oh, you got it.
I got it. Okay.
Wait. Ew, there's dead bees in here. And other things.
Can I see?
No.
Oh, I'm just looking.
No, I know you're gonna do that. Stop that. Hallelujah.
I mean,
Hallelujah.
you could just refabric this with like a nice kind of
you
suede.
could. Options. So many options.
I was very ambitious when I thought this would be done in a couple days.
I kind of anticipated it would take longer than that.
Yeah. I thought we were keeping all the cabinets. If we could have kept the cabinets, that would have been done already.
You did not think that. So in terms of prep, he cleaned the floors, cleaned the walls, took off the silicone, took off the border and the sticky adhesive. Removed all the plates.
We removed the doors off the cabinets that are being wall color, or we're not 100% sure.
Removed doors on cabinets. Sanded down cabinets.
Sanded any holes from old blinds.
And puttied holes.
Puttied and sanded, yeah. And then a whole bunch of plastic.
So literally a list of 10 things he's been working on in here. So the prep is like a full day and a half, 2 days. Mm-hmm. And the paint will be like 2 hours.
We'll prime it, and then I'm a little bit worried about it curing just because we're a bit cooler and the humidity is a bit higher. But I think if we paint first thing in the morning with primer, then I can paint with top coat in the afternoon, and we should be good.
Fingers crossed. So you guys saw we looked at a ton of samples this week, and I've definitely decided to do a dark green paint in the RV as per this mood board. I think it's gonna look really good on the cabinets, and usually I get a lot more paint samples, but this time Russell limited me to 2. So I picked my 2 favorites. I'm gonna sample them on these boards and then hopefully get a really good idea of what they're gonna look like in the actual RV.
Okay, so I was just removing the carpet because I wanted to get it out of the way before I did painting. And I found rot in the floor, which sucks. I'm gonna have to show Lindy. I think we can still go ahead with painting. It's easy. No, it's not easy, but it's fixable. It's just time consuming. I'm just gonna have to take out this chunk, this corner here. Yeah, it's all dry rot. It's doable, but this guy's gonna have to come out, I think, to fix it properly, which kind of sucks. Hey, remember how I said I found something?
Are you filming?
Yes.
Does that mean it's bad?
That doesn't have to mean it's bad. It's bad. So, yeah.
Oh, rot.
Yeah.
So this is the same spot where we fixed the exterior?
Yeah, when they dealt with the awning, they fixed the wall, and I was hoping it didn't go on the floor, but it did a little bit. It's not
completely unexpected.
Horrible. No, and it's not horrible. It's easy to splice in just a piece in here, and it's not expensive. It's just time consuming. And then I also took out this cabinet, which wasn't part of my plan, but now
we had to.
Yeah.
On the plus side, now you can make this cabinet flush.
Less storage?
It's not that much less.
Yeah, no, you could make it flush.
So I guess we're not putting down flooring.
Not right away. No, I have to deal with this, and then, I mean, we can still paint though. It's not.
Okay.
It could have been worse. So.
Could have been worse. Okay.
We're just about ready to spray the trailer. We demoed everything that needs to be demoed, and we put plastic up and tape, so now we just need to get the paint on. First step is primer, and to apply the primer and the paint, we're gonna be using Wagner's Control Pro 170. It's a HEA, so high efficiency airless sprayer, so it actually has a mechanical pump that sucks the paint and pushes it through the sprayer. It works really good. You can use it for paint stains, and yeah, it's really compact, which is nice for this style of unit. And yeah, I think that's it.
So the trailer's using way more primer than we anticipated. We only had 2 cans, which is not enough, and we're trying to get it primed before the rain comes. So now I'm gonna run to Home Depot, try and get a couple more cans before Russ finishes with the 2 he has.
Paint?
And it's really hard holding 2 cans of paint with one hand so that you can film.
I'm pretty close to being done, so I probably only need 1.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's fine. Okay, so primer is on. It went on decent. I had a couple runs, but
it's like 10,000 times brighter in here too. I'm very curious to see what the white I chose looks like.
It's a bit creamier, right?
A little bit warmer.
Yeah.
But still gonna be very bright. It's way brighter in here. I like the color too. I'm really happy with it.
I think it goes really good with the kitchen cabinets, so that's perfect.
Well, the kitchen cabinets will be painted. Speaking of which...
Oh, I didn't see those there.
So sneaky. Here's how they look.
Those look good.
Honestly, they're both really nice greens. Are you leaning to this one?
Now I am, yeah.
I am leaning towards this one. I'm surprising myself on that. Right now, I think I'm leaning towards this one. There's like an 80% chance we're gonna use this.
You're sure it's not like 85% or?
84.2%.
How did you come to 80%?
I did some very intense statistical analysis. You wouldn't understand.
And it'll be exciting to cover these cabinets too, but it's already looking like a different trailer.
So we're at a bit of a standstill now because we want to let all this paint cure and harden properly, and we have to deal with the rot in the floor. Now that we have the cabinet paint color chosen, the kitchen will be our next big video. Super excited to transform that whole little space. So that is a wrap on this video.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.